Procedemos a la lectura en inglés. A new home. Francisco stands outside his new house. He reaches into this pocket and pulls off the case. He turned the case in the lock and opened the door. He stepped into the living room and looked around. The paint is falling in the walls. There is for turning. The house is dirty and smells bad. He tries to open a window, but it is broken. The house does not have a kitchen or room. He wonders if it works. The place looks terrible, but it's all he can afford. He covers his nose and mouth with his hand. They open the bathroom door. In his bad condition.